Chatterbox. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple video recording using the Photo Booth app. To find the Photo Booth app, go to the tray at the bottom of the Chatterbox and click Photo Booth. This will open up this simple interface. If you were to press the record button now, it will take us just one picture. But to make a video, you'll have to click the video button to record a movie clip. Simply click the red button in the center of the screen. 3, 2, 1. And now you're live recording yourself in the Chatterbox from one of our video cameras. This can only record one side of the video and cannot record both video cameras because it is a simple recording option. If you click the stop button, that creates a new video for you that's on the bottom here. And now you're live recording yourself. You can see that that plays yourself back. In order to get this off of the Photo Booth app, you'll have to go to File and Export. To export the movie, you will use this Where button to find your flash drive, which you should connect to the USB hub affixed to the wall of the Chatterbox. It's silver and white. Once you go in there, you can click the name of your flash drive and click Save, and now this movie will appear on your flash drive. It may take a moment while it saves. And this is how you create a very simple video using the Photo Booth app on the Chatterbox. Thank you.